marketing can grow your local business quickly. With so many advertising options to choose from, it's easy for businesses to overlook one of the most successful strategies like online marketing. An astounding 1 out of every $4 spent globally is on the internet. You'll be amazed at the power of online marketing to help you gain more customers. We caught up with one of the leading experts in online marketing who has some powerful tips for you when it comes to getting new customers.
Well, that's a real good question. And the problem is that marketing for real estate agents and brokers can be very confusing and difficult because of all the different people trying to grab their attention and sell them this good widget or that good thing. But it doesn't have to be confusing. One of the biggest problems that I experienced myself when I started in real estate 30 years ago, and as well as have seen over the years, is that real estate agents don't have a good idea of who their market is. To them, their market is everybody who breathes. There's a saying in marketing and advertising that if your customer is everybody, you don't have a customer. One of the other things that we see is that the agency doesn't have a plan in place. So every time that somebody shows up in their inbox or does a presentation to the office with a really cool whiz-bang widget, they get distracted and sidetracked on that one thing. What's important is that you have a plan that includes all of the tools that you'll need to be able to accomplish getting your information about your company to your avatar in a way that gets your customer to make a decision. And finally, the real estate agency should be taking a really close look at who they partner with to help them build that plan and design that avatar for them, so that that partner is someone who understands the real estate industry, can provide them with a plan and the tools to implement that plan in a cost-effective manner. So here at OnlineViz, our expertise is helping real estate agents and brokers be found online. And if someone would like to learn more about that, they can go to www.forrealestate.marketing, where they can learn more about us, or give us a call at 916-303-2509.
And there you have it. Today's customers just don't go online to find companies that rank at the top. They go online to find the most reputable company to work with. And with the right online marketing strategy, you can be top dog. Now, the ball's in your court. Are you ready to learn more? Contact our featured expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.